What's going on, guys? Been a minute since I filmed anything like this, but something I actually do is what we're doing today is a knife I bought. I'm still here in Japan. I am at the apartment I'm staying at, the Airbnb, and something I actually do but don't film, but I post little reels about it, is I'll sharpen knives while I'm traveling. So I thought maybe take the chance to give you a quick demo of the sharpening. Now this I just bought. You'd think most times knives, Japanese knives, when you buy them, they come with their own edge. They usually do, but this one wasn't. This, I think, was the display because it was the last one on the shelf. I was really liking it. The Kiris are usually like that much taller, but the height wasn't bothering me for, my bigger hands. I found it quite comfortable, strangely enough. But they did tell me that I have to put my own edge on there, which I told them that's not a big deal, because I know how to sharpen my own knives, and I'm going to put my own new stone to the test here. My first time trying out the diamond whetstone or stones from Naniwa. So I'm excited to try this out. Put a fresh edge on there, or for those of you knife nerds out there, a Koba. Ooh. I never like these stickers they put on here. They're always hard to get off. Okay. New problem to figure out here. This is a pain in the ass. Okay. Made progress here. Not a fan of these adhesives they put on here. So, okay, this is going to be a little bit ghetto here because I don't have my setup. I don't have my stone holder. The one I bought here. This one actually has a little base with rubber mats on there. Looks like it stays. And from what I understand with these diamond stones, they are not soaking stones. You just splash and go. And the beauty of these diamond stones is you don't have to flatten them nowhere near as often. Let's see how this thing performs here. Normally I do a POV style, but you guys are getting a different angle today because I don't have my tripod. And I wanted to get a tripod, but I just wasn't liking my options. Plus, I already bought too much Christmas stuff anyway. I don't need to keep adding more. I just can't get over that size there. I like it. Let's see. Let's make sure it's the angle I want first. First thing I'm always going to do is test the angle. Yeah, I forgot to mention too, this is a 400 grit. You can probably hear it's loud. All right, looks like we formed a little bit of a lip burr going on there. Which I'm quite happy with the speed right there, so it does a good job removing the material pretty quick. That's good. And I don't know if the camera can catch it, but yeah, see a little bit of a mud action going on there. So that basically is the material mixing together with the stone and the knife, which that's what you want to see. That means you're removing material. I'm gonna do the other side. All right, it's looking pretty good. All right, do a little bit of stropping here, very lightly. Yeah, you can really hear the abrasion on this stone. It's a really coarse stone, so it's gonna just sound like that. All right, and that is the 400. So I'm gonna put that in there. I'm going to do the 1000 now and see how this goes. By the way, if you guys know, all my sharpening friends out there, if you know a better way of taking these stickers off, let me know. I had a similar problem with this 2K stone. The sticker that was the label on there, it's gonna have to come off by scratching it off with with my flattening stone back home. I don't have one on me, otherwise I'd take that off. There we go. Finally. Okay, get some water on there, try it out. Put it on my little ghetto stand here and go to town. You can probably hear, because of the 1000 grit, it's a lot quieter. And because we already formed the edge, it didn't take too long to do. That's the lip burr already formed again. But here, I'm just being a little bit of a perfectionist, getting, you know, the amount of lip burr I want here. Now to do the other side. All right, it's looking good. And it's a darker stone, you won't be able to see it, but you can see right here the little mud. That's probably what I was expecting from these diamond type stones. From what I heard and what I'm feeling as I'm sharpening is the abrasives on these are really good. Like I said, this knife just needed its first edge on there. It's the grind work on this was grinded down close to the apex, but they just didn't form the cutting edge basically. And now there's an edge. Just gonna double check, make sure it's good to go. And then I'm gonna test how the results of this diamond stone went. And just dry it off. Yep, and this is where I'm used to showing the POV style, or I would show you the edge from above. But see if I can get it on camera with this lighting. Probably not. It's a very, very small cutting edge, but it's there. I got a piece of receipt paper here. Let's test it. Oh yeah. I just realized I didn't do it before. But literally this couldn't cut, and now it can. I'm happy with it. I'll definitely shoot some more when I get back to Alaska on using this knife. I actually cannot wait to start using this. And if you watch till the end, thank you, and I'll see you probably very soon.